Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about the measure word in Chinese. Well, sounds a little bit difficult and it's a bit annoying to add all the time measure words, and it's easy to get confused when to add it and when not to. Okay, so today we were gonna do two rules for how are we going to use the measure word. Well, let's say that most of the time there are measure words that we need to use before the noun, after the number. So in this case is when you want to describe the quantity of something. Let's say 3 apples. So 3 is 三, apple is 苹果. In English you just say 3 apples. However, in Chinese you need to say 3 measure word apples. So it is very similar like 2 bottles of drinks or 2 bottles of beer. So bottle, it is the measure word in this case. Yeah, so it just in English you don't need to say all the time the bottle or a bowl or a glass or cup. So, but in Chinese you have to say it all the time. However, there's a lifesaver that we don't need to do all the time. Think of different words. What is a measure word for apple? What is a measure word for books? What is the measure word for whatever the noun it is? So we got a general measure word. So in general measure words, we can use it in, let's say, most of the cases. So it is very useful, and that is called 个. Well, on its own, it is fourth tone, but you can also try to do it like a neutral tone. Both will work. Okay, so the general measure word is 个, and there are a few words that I would like to point it out here, which is book. The measure word is 本. For a certain amount of nouns that you may have to use their own measure words. So the general measure words will be okay for the grammar point, but it wouldn't fit in all the circumstances. Okay, so let's say for the book, 本. Someone slaying here. And then, let's speak of that. Small animals, you can say 只. Big animals, you can say 头. And then let's make one example. So let's say one dog. We can say 一只狗. How to say one cat? 一 something, 猫, and this something, we can also use 只. Okay, so let's say for clothes, we can say 件, 一件衣服. Yeah, one cloth. Okay, and then let's talk about the second rule. So the second rule is about there are a few words that you need to add a measure word after it, and then this, that, which, and how many, which is 这 this, 那 that, 哪 which, 几 how many. Okay, 多少 also could be for how many, but this one will be a little bit exception with measure word without both work. So let's just take it to 几. So the rule it is following here. Number plus measure word plus noun, and then a few words, this, that, which, and how many plus measure word plus noun. Okay. I hope you get it, and I'll just make a few examples here. Yeah? So first one, this cloth. So 这件衣服. This, also this apple. 这个苹果. Okay. Let's try banana. So 这个香蕉. So these are the measure words and how we use it. I hope you learn it now. If you got further questions, do not hesitate to contact me or leave me a comment down below. Now I'm a Chinese teacher and I do teach Chinese online. So if you want to have class with me, just add my Skype here and we can talk about further. Okay, great. So see you next time. Next time we're gonna talk about the tense for the future. See you. Bye.